Well, looking at this tree stump a little bit closer, you know, it's definitely gone down pretty good in the center. Clearly around the edges, didn't really get touched by any of that heat. So I'm going to make some score marks with the chainsaw. That'll open up some air passages, and we'll make another try at this. Alright, I made some cross cuts with the chainsaw down about 4 or 5 inches. Now I'll make some cross cuts and open up some of these air channels. That should help a lot. Alright, I got the cross cuts done. Still smoking from yesterday. Got to figure out what I'm going to do next here. Okay, I did sprinkle in kerosene down all these cracks other than in the center. I'm going to see if I can get it lit. So I got the kerosene down in the base there. Put some soft wood in here. Got the inside going. And we'll see how things go this time with a little bit of a better airflow. The ground is kind of wet. This trunk is kind of wet from the storm last night. But I thought I'd give this a try. See if we get any better results. I think this is working. Woo! Well, it's been 3 hours. Let's check on it here. Well, that's more like it. Well, it's getting to the end of the day here. Let's take a look where we ended up. Got a little bit of area here I can probably chip away at. It's still pretty hot. Well, I'm pretty happy with this. Mission accomplished.